Hello students, today we are going to start new topic. The name of the topic is linear equations in two variables. We have already studied about linear polynomials. As I discussed in the chapter polynomial, the type of polynomials. Linear polynomial means where the degree of that polynomial is 1. But here you can see we have the word equation. So equation means when we equate it equal to something. So when we write some polynomial equal to something, that becomes linear equation. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is a linear linear equation in one variable, because you can see here only one variable is there. If I want to write a linear equation in two variables, let us write 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. When I am putting it equal to sign, that becomes equation. So this is in one variable and this is in two variables. So the general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is called as the general form, where a, b, c, they are constants and x is the variable here, x and y also. So that this is called as the general form of linear equation in two variables. Now let us discuss some examples from exercise 4.1. Like first question says, write each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and then we have to tell the value of a, b and c. Now right hand side we want to make 0, so we will bring it this side because we have to convert in this form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 equal to 0. This is similar to this. So therefore what is a? 2, b 3 and c is minus 4.37. You have to be very careful for the signs. Similarly, let us do second part. Now here first variable x is there. We will bring this here because second thing we want in the form of by, and c will remain same. Now this is ax plus by plus c again. Now a, what is a? You will not take it as x. A is the coefficient of x. So a is 1 here, b is minus under root 3 and c will be minus 4. Similarly, we will do next two examples. Next example is 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. Again you can see ax plus by is here. Let us bring this 4 here. So I can write 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now you can see a is 5, b minus 3 and c is minus 4. Similarly now here 2x minus y. Now see here ax plus by, but c is not there. So we can write it as plus 0 is equal to 0. So if we compare now, a is 2, b minus 1 and c we will take as 0. Now next question is, write each of the following as an equation in two variable. You can see in all the parts only one variable is there. Here only x is there, only y. So we have to write it in this form. So whichever variable is not there, suppose here like, we can write it as 1 into x because with x we can have 1. Now y is not there, so we can write it as 0 into y. And c we have to bring this side, so it will become plus 5 equal to 0. So we have to convert all these equations in this form. Similarly, second you can see, now x is not there, so we will write 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 equal to 0. Similarly, third part, x is already there, so 2x. Again, y is not there, 0y. Minus 3 equal to 0. And last it will be again 0x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. So this all was about exercise 4.1. Next we will do 4.2.